Hey, boys and girls. Here I am going to read another book. It's another rhyming book. It's got some rhythm to it, and it's one of my favorites of all time. Roar of a Snore. Oh, really like how the author illustrated this little boy. We started out with this little boy, and he's supposed to be asleep, but he can't sleep. Roar of a Snore by Marcia Diane Arnold, and illustrations by Pierre Pratt. That's the title page. The sky was dark, the stars were bright, each Huffle fast asleep that night. Except for Jack. I know a Jack. Eyes open wide, he tossed and turned, he groaned and sighed. Jack heard a noise that rocked the floor. He heard a noise that shook the door. Jack heard a snore. Oh my goodness, so loud. A mighty snore, a clamorous snore, a thundering, ear-splitting roar of a snore. Old Hound Dog Blue was sound asleep. He woofed and snuffed at Jack's feet. Wake up, Old Blue, and stop that snore. Old Blue woke up. I wonder why they call him Blue. He's more of a reddish-brown color, isn't he? The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack went searching. Across the hall slept Mama Gwen. Her huffs and puffs made her curlers spin. Wake up, Mama Gwen, and stop that snore. Mama Gwen woke up. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen went searching. Baby. Sweet baby Sue slept one door down. Her high-pitched snore made a whistling sound. Wake up, baby Sue, and stop that snore. Baby Sue woke up. The snore still roared. Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and baby Sue went searching. Down the stairs, they went searching. Way down the stairs in his favorite chair snored Papa Ben like a grumbly bear. Wake up, Papa Ben, and stop that snore. Papa Ben woke up. Look, I love Papa Ben's little hairy mustache. Got a grumbly bear snore from Papa Ben. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and baby Sue and Papa Ben went searching. This one always ties up my tongue. In the old porch swing slept the Huffle twins. Josie Joe wheezed out, and Jenny Lynn wheezed in. Wake up, you two, and stop that snore! The twins woke up. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn went searching. There's the snore through the night. They found their barn filled up with snores. The sheep, the goat, the cow, and more. Wake up, you critters, and stop those snores! Critters woke up. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn and sheep and goat and cow and hens went searching. Up to the loft The loft is kind of like an upstairs. A lot of times it's where people who have barns keep hay and other stuff that they don't want the animals to get to. Up to the loft the Huffles climbed to search together one more time. They searched the hay with drowsy eyes, and there they found a Snore surprise! One lost kitten in the hay, snoring all his cares away. Look at that cute little kitten. Oh! Big old snore for a teeny tiny little kitten. I'll be hornswoggled, Jack Huffle cried. His snore's 40,000 times his size. Wake up, little cat, and stop that snore. The Huffles waited. The snore still roared. Now let him sleep, hushed Mama Gwen. He needs his rest. He looks done in. He's traveled far across our field, said Papa Ben. He needs a meal. He needs a home, said Baby Sue. Woof, woof, agreed Old Town Dog Blue. All Huffle eyes were fixed on Jack. Jack sighed. Then grinned and looked right back. He's found a home in our haystack. So Jack and Blue and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn and sheep and goat and cow and hens joined Little Cat and snuggled in. There they are in the big haystack, all snuggled in. So tired. Each Huffles added snuffles, huffs, wheezes, whistles, grumbles, puffs. One giant snore sailed through the night. At last the Huffles all slept tight. But down the road, eyes opened wide, Molly Olson tossed and sighed. She heard a snore. The end. What do you guys think? Molly Olson gonna go and find the snore? Do you think she's got the same snore? The same little kitten soaring through the night? Kinda looked like it. Yeah, kinda looked like it. That snore's still coming from the barn. Think she'll wake the little cat up? Or do you think she'll decide to let the little cat sleep like the Huffles did? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see you next time. Thanks for reading with me.